Hello, Erin.
Hello.
Tell us all about what you use Pictory for and how you use it.
Yeah, sure. So I am a YouTuber, and I use Pictory to make videos for our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is in the pet niche, and so we get to create different types of videos for dogs and cats specifically using Pictory. In the past, we used Vidnami, but after it was shut down, we needed another option that was easy to use and had a lot of good graphics for us and just was something that we can put together quickly. And we found that with Pictory, and we've been able to put some really nice videos together using Pictory.
That's wonderful. Just tell us a little bit about the content of the videos. What are they about? You mentioned they're in the pets niche, but just go into a little bit more
Yes.
detail. I don't want you to give away your secrets.
For the most part, they are just giving some ideas about different types of names that you can call your dog or cat. So they're all different themed. And yeah, that's what we do.
That's lovely. How does the workflow happen? Do you use your own scripts or do you outsource the script creation to other people?
No, we create our own scripts and then we write them all out and then we put that into Pictory, which then is transcribed into a video for us. Okay. And then from there, we select our own videos and images to use.
Mm-hmm. And do you use your own voice or do you use the built-in voices, the AI voices?
We use our own voice. Yep.
So you upload the script, you let Pictory do its magic, and then you download that and upload it straight to YouTube and off you go.
Off we go. Yeah, it's pretty quick, pretty simple. So we're happy with that. Once we got the hang of it, we were just able to produce at least 2 videos a week.
Okay, I was going to ask you how many a week, and that's perfectly doable for you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. With a full-time job as well. So.
Okay, so this is not your full-time job. You have
no.
as well. Wow. What gave you the idea to start the channel?
It was my husband's idea actually many years ago. He was thinking about how to create income outside of our 9-to-5 jobs. And we played around with a few different niches and then found the pet niche was very sustainable and drew a good crowd of people. So we also have fun with it too. So yeah, that's why we chose the pet niche.
Yeah, that's a great tip, by the way, to find a niche which is evergreen, as they call it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. People are always going to have pets.
Yes, exactly.
That's wonderful. So how do you split the work up between you? Who does what?
Good question. We both take 1 video a week. And I take care of more of the cat stuff and he takes care of more of the dog stuff.
Okay.
It just kind of fell that way. We don't have a preference, but we do help each other out and we do bounce ideas off of each other. And yeah.
Do you get competitive?
A little bit sometimes.
Who's got the most views?
When we check our analytics, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really important to look at the analytics regularly as well. We always try and teach this to people is that it's okay producing stuff that you want, but you have to be led by the numbers and produce stuff that your audience wants. And it's great to have that really nice, tight niche that you can concentrate on.
Yes, for sure. Yeah. Yeah.
So the YouTube journey so far has been fun.
Yes, it's been fun. A lot of learning, a lot of trial and error, I guess you could say, to get us to this point. It wasn't just, this isn't our first time kind of thing. And so now we're having fun with it and enjoying the process.
Brilliant. Well, just a shout out to people as well. We have a Facebook group for Pictory, which I and others share lots of tips about growing YouTube channels. So if you're not already a member of that or husband is not a member of that, then I'd suggest join. Please come and join us.
Sure. Yeah.
We can give you some tips as well because there's a lot of experienced YouTube people in there. But it sounds like you're doing really well.
Yeah. Thank you. We're getting there.
All right. Well, one final question then. If somebody is not using Pictory, but was considering using Pictory, what would you say to them?
I would definitely say to give it a try. Try it out, sign up, look around, play play with it a little bit. I feel like every time we have any sort of questions, the support team is so quick to help us, which has really made everything just so smooth and easy learning the whole system. So I would really just recommend Pictory if that's what you're looking for.
That's brilliant. Thank you. Of course, people can sign up for free and have a go and see whether
Yes.
they like it. And
yeah, that's what we did. We started for free and we really liked it. And so we signed up.
That's brilliant. Erin, you've been absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much for your time. I really
No problem.
wish you the very best of luck with your YouTube channel, and we're
Thank
we're
you.
here to help you, as are the rest of the Pictory team.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, take care.